And at 11:40 at night, that was the NS16T heading east, main 1, in rain. And the Central of Georgia Heritage Unit leading. Thanks for watching.